Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. At the very beginning, select the phone icon, then tap on More, the three dots icon in the upper corner, then select the settings. Here pick Call Blocking and Block List. Now you have several options, so you can block numbers that are not in contacts by tapping on the switcher. You can also block all calls from hidden numbers the same way, and you can add some particular number or some contact by tapping on Block List and selecting plus. Here you can choose a number from contact, choose some number from your recent calls, or enter a number. So let me pick this option. Just enter a number and tap OK. Here you will be able to see all blocked numbers. If you would like to unblock some number, just tap on this number and select Remove from Block List and confirm your decision. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.